Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this auto cutout video animation on CapCut PC. So you are going to select your video. I'm just going to select this, go to the end and freeze frame that, and then go and scroll, go to edit, go to cutout and then select auto cutout. And you're going to select this as like well, you can use either this or this, up to you. I'm just going to use this one though. And I'm going to choose like a blue color. Again, you can choose any color that you want. And you're just going to overlay it on top like this, where the kind of like last keyframe is. And you are going to... I'm actually going to have to freeze frame this as well. Hold on. You're going to add this here, but you're going to place it someplace else. Like you can like rotate it and place it like to the side, like up here maybe, and then have it till the end of the clip. I'm trying to make this like super short, by the way, as well. I think this is short enough. Okay, I need to snap this in place. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to make it shorter than the first one, and whoops, then I'm going to place it somewhere else, like here for instance, but like upside down. Make it a little bit bigger as well, and maybe add like one more here. You can add like more than 3, but as the example, I'm not going to want to add a lot. You can even like rotate it as well and place it here. And that is it. Super simple. You can make this shorter, of course. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!